Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up efficiency. Buy monkey knowledge that reduces Paragon cost and boosts XP gain because lower cost gets you to Paragon sooner. Once done, focus on getting 3 Dart Monkeys to level 20 quickly. Merge progress stacks later. Run fast high XP maps, logs, expert maps, or sandbox XP runs, and prioritize cash boosting powers. Make sure to use double XP events or XP boosting charms when available, since stacking XP accelerates the whole progression. Now you execute the grind. Merge your level 20 Dart Monkeys into 3 high-tier variants to prepare the Paragon merge. You want the strongest base stats, so the Paragon cost is efficient. Once done, run repeatable farming maps and use alternate towers as XP sinks so your Dart Monkeys absorb XP cleanly. Make sure to play co-op or use Smurf accounts to speed currency and XP gains. Transition between farming and short rounds so you keep momentum without wasting time. You finish by consolidating. Confirm 3 fully maxed Dart Monkeys and that you have the necessary cash. The Paragon cost scales, so overshoot your target to avoid shortfalls. Once ready, perform the merge during a round break to reduce risk and ensure the game processes the transformation cleanly. If something goes wrong, missing cash or bugs, roll back to a save or restart the map, rebalance your XP sources, and reattempt with an extra buffer of cash to guarantee success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.